Hi viewers. Today I am explaining how to inserting tables in MS Word. Already we in last class we had discussed about MS Word introduction, how to creating documents in MS Word, how to save the files, how to use home commands, text formatting, that and all already we had discussed in previous videos. Today I am explaining how to creating tables in MS Word, how to deleting tables, how to inserting a columns and rows. So I want to insert a table now. So in you can click the insert command. Here you can select the table option. In this, here we have rows and columns. You can select how many rows and how many columns do you want. Like this, you can select how many rows do you want, how many rows and columns do you want. I am selected. So now our table is inserted. Now we can type the table values. Suppose I am creating now employee number, employee name, salary, ESI, PF, whatever it may be, you can type here. So now employee number I am typing. So we want to move the cursor one cell to another cell. So now I am typing the employee name. Next we want to type a salary, how much salary we are giving. Next to ESI, how much we are giving, we want to record. Next to PF amount also we want to type here. This like now I am created one table. Once we are created table, automatically table tools it is coming. Here different types of table styles we have. Which style do you want, you can select it like this. So many styles we have. You can click this arrow mark. Other styles also it is showing. Which style do you want, you can select it. So it is possible to designing the tables. So I am selecting this table. So otherwise any other table styles do you want, you can select like this. See, so many styles of tables we are having. Which style do you like, you can select it. So this is table styles. Suppose I am selecting this style. Okay, table styles. After that, I want to insert middle of that any rows and columns. You can click right button, mouse right button. You can click insert button. What do you want to insert? So I want to insert rows above, insert rows below. See. So now I am inserted one row. Suppose I want to delete that again. So delete rows. It's deleted. It is possible to inserting and deleting middle of that rows and columns. Suppose now I want to insert here. So you can right click. You can click mouse here. You can right click. Now insert. Now which one do you want to insert? Rows below. Insert rows below. See, it is inserted one row below. This like in a table already I am created a table. Middle of that I want to insert a rows, columns. It is possible to inserting and deleting also. Again I am inserting one more row. This like it is possible to inserting. Now right side of the table I want to insert a column. So I want to insert a columns. Now right click insert. Insert columns to the right. So this like suppose I want to insert above. Now I am clicking here. You can right click insert the columns to the left to right, insert rows above. So one more row it is inserted. Like this, after creation of a table, it is possible to inserting rows and columns above, below, middle of that also. Suppose now I want to cut this and all, so I want to delete. So again right click, you can click delete rows. See, automatically it is deleting. I want to delete this one only. Right click. So delete cells, delete right row, delete entire row, delete entire column. So not like this. I want to delete this row. You can select first of all in delete columns. It's deleted, no? This like it is possible to deleting a columns, inserting a columns. Suppose this full table I want to delete now. So you can select first of all full table. So here we have one option, select all. Now our table is selected. So you can press delete button. Our all table is deleted. This like it is possible to inserting a table. One more way also we have. So insert table you can click. So here you can update it. How many rows and columns do you want? So this arrow mark you can click. Now our columns it is increased. I want to 5 columns only. See it is increasing. So down arrow mark you can click, it is decreasing. So now I want to 6 columns. Now here we want to insert a rows. 6 columns, 6 rows I am selected. Okay, you can give me. See our table is inserted. So automatically table styles it is showing. Which style do you want? You can select it. So it is possible to changing the shading colors here. See shading color. Shading color it is possible to changing here. So next one. So I created one table. So now it is possible to typing here. Suppose item details I am typing now. So item name, total items, sold, rate, total amount, this like we want to type. Item name I am typing now. Suppose Nokia, Samsung, Micromax, Redmi. This like I am typing. Total items I am, how many you have you can type it. I have 20, 30, so 40, 50 like this. How many we sold? 10 numbers I am sold. So here 20 numbers I am sold. 25 numbers I am sold. Here I am sold. So 45 numbers. Rate. What is the rate for each mobile? 10,000 rupees. 8,000. 5,000 rupees. Here I am typing 12,000 rupees rate. So total amount also we want to record here. This like I am created a table. So now I want to delete this row only. You can select the table. You can press delete button. It is deleting. Now I want to delete this row also. Select and delete you can press. Select, otherwise cut button you can press. It's cut down that area. This like it is possible to creating a table. So next one, how to insert. 2 ways it is possible to inserting a table. Otherwise it's possible to draw a table also. Now I am draw table manually. You can click draw table option. Now you can draw a table like this. Now rows and columns also we want to draw like this. How many rows do you want? How many columns do you want? It is possible to draw like this. So this like how many rows, columns, manually it is possible to draw this one. So next to see like this. So now I draw a table. So now it is possible to erase also. Here we have eraser option. You can select this one. So how many rows do you want? You can keep it. Remaining and all you can erase like that. So I want to erase this row also. This lines also I want to erase. So this like. So it is possible to draw a table manually. It is possible to erasing the table. So next one. So how to draw a table we know. So next to Excel spreadsheets also it is possible to inserting here. So now I am inserting Excel spreadsheet in MS Word. Okay.